So let us learn the third property, that is associative property. So associative property is nothing but the order in which three whole numbers are added does not change their sum. So when you think of associative property, we will be using three whole numbers. So three numbers here. So adding all the three numbers does not change their sum. So for example, if you have A, B and C are three whole numbers. If you want to add all the three numbers, what we will do, we will be pairing any two numbers. It can be first two numbers or it can be the last two numbers. So A plus B will be in a bracket plus C equals to A plus last two numbers will be inside the bracket. So here we have A as 4, B as 2 plus C as 10. So inside the bracket we have 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 after adding the first two numbers, we will be adding along with the third number. So 6 plus 10, that makes 16. Similarly, we can say adding the last two numbers. So B plus C. So B we have 2 and C we have 10. So 2 plus 10, that makes 12. After adding the last two numbers, we will be adding along with the first one. So 12 plus 4, that makes 16. So we will be getting the same answer. So the associative property is nothing but order in which three whole numbers are added does not change their sum. So here we will be using three whole numbers. So we have a real life example, students. Like assume that you are going to a shop and you're going to buy a milk packet, cookies and bread. So if three items, you're going to buy three items. If you want to find the total of these three items, immediately what you will do, you will add any two items first. It can be like bread plus milk, right? If you add bread plus milk, what is that bread value here? 40. So 40 plus 25. So 40 plus 25 is nothing but 65. After adding these two, you will add along with the remaining one. So remaining one, here we have cookies. So 65 plus 30, that makes 95. So when you purchase three items, immediately what you will do, pairing two numbers. It can be any, even you can pair these two. So 30 plus 40, after pairing these two, after finding the sum of these two, you will be adding along with the remaining one. So this is one of the best example for your associative property, students. So associative property is nothing but A plus B pairing 1 plus C equal to A plus, you can pair B plus C also. The answer will remain the same. So students, let us move to the last property, that is additive identity. So whenever you think of additive identity, when it comes, identity means 0. If 0 is added to any whole number, then the number will be same. You know very well, adding a number with 0 will be same. So additive identity is nothing but A plus 0 will be A, as well as in vice versa, 0 plus A is equal to A. So example, if you take 6, 6 plus 0 also will be your answer 6. 0 plus 6 also will be your answer 6. So we have a real life example. Let's see that. So when you look into a mirror, you see yourself, right, students? So assume that you are a number, like you are a number of 6. If you look into the mirror, what do you see there? You see a number 6. So when it comes to additive identity, think of a mirror. So mirror will be 0. Adding any number by 0 will be the same number. So read all the identities, students. Learn all the identities, and whatever I am giving you in PDF, write all the same format, right? All copy that in a same note. It can be any note, students. It can be old note also. So copy all these in a note and learn and write, students. That is very important. Learn all the properties and write it.